So welcome. I'm going to now log into my Unity to my app creator and download the game, and from here I'm going to show you the app, the Unity Hearts. We have already monetized the game, so let me show you how it works now. This is the app we created here, car race game. So from here you're going to see download. Yes, so this is the game. I'm going to download. If you remember, this is the game we downloaded. So let's wait for the download. It's downloading. So from here we're going to show you. So stay downloading. Yes, it has completed. So now we need to install. Click on install. We install the game. So let's wait for the game to install. Okay, so it's still installing. Yes, so now we can open. It has installed already. Okay. Okay, no, I said I don't need to. Okay. Okay, I think there is a. Okay, let me quickly put. Okay, let me just quickly do this and yeah. So you see, this is, oh my god, while filling this information you can see this is the art unit showing on the app. So simple. And I was actually trying to fill the information. After filling the information, I will proceed, and you can see the app automatically started showing the advertisement. So that is to tell you how it works, and that is how it works. So you can see. So the only thing you need to know, you're going to find users to your app. I'm going to guide you everything that you need to do. So this is to show you that what we did is working. It's working nice. It's working good. It's working good. Okay, so you can see it's working good. So many things are going to guide you. So from here, you see I was trying to. So after login, you see the game. This is the game of see the other one too. Advertisement. So I hope guys So this is how it works. So okay, so many things to guide you, so many things. If you have any questions, don't forget to. Okay, so now I continue. I'm actually happy to show you